I'm sorry. I would like to apologize for the following senators. Dahil wala po kayo dito. I'm apologizing to you. But because I did not approve the request. And these are the requests you're asking, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
Okay, I will start with,
Before you do that, were they legal or illegal requests?
as far as I'm concerned, it's illegal.
Illegal, okay. Go ahead.
I will start with Senator Drilon. As early as 2016, he has requested me to meet with him here at the Senate twice and asked me to sign a memorandum of agreement between the BOC and the office of Miss Chairperson Maria Serena I. Jokno, the chairperson of National Historical Commission of the Philippines, agreeing that the Bureau of Customs, the Customs House in Iloilo, will be renovated using funds. I don't know if that was allocated by Senator Drilon to the NHCP. And after the renovation, it will be converted into a museum, and the Bureau of Customs will just occupy third floor of that building. Okay, and he insisted that I will be signing that MOA. Twice, I attended this meeting, and I said, sir, hindi po pwede. And on the third, I have forcibly changed the provisions of the MOA and signed it. I never acceded that. Why? Because meron na po tayong karanasan, sir, na yung Cebu, ginawa po yan nung time ni President Arroyo na Malacanang of the South. And until today, yung Cebu employees namin are housed in a condemned building. So ayaw natin maulit po yun, natatanggalin na naman yung mga customs dyan at wala po siyang paglilipatan. These are, sa tingin ko, hindi to tama na request ng isang senador. At talagang tinanggihan ko po siya ng twice dun sa meeting na yan. In that two meetings, then Chairperson Jokno was also present. Because the reason to me, why they want me to sign it already is, 2 years na kasi itong pondo na to, marirevert back na sa Treasury. And it's now my fault na hindi magawa yung project nila. And again, I will compromise the interest of the Bureau of Customs. That's one. So I'm sorry, Senator Drilon, wala ka dito, but that is exactly what transpired. Another senator who had requested me, I think, illegal. Idol kita, Tito Sen, pasensya na. Pero this is illegal as far as I'm concerned. As early as 2016, twice, personally, he asked me to appoint one official as of the Bureau of Customs as the Director of Intelligence. Ito kasi yan dalawang beses niya ako personally kinausap. So I cannot say yes or no. Sabi ko, sir, titingnan natin. I interviewed this official. Sabi ko, ilang taon ka na dito sa Customs? Sabi po niya, pangalanan ko na po, si Eric Albano. Sabi niya, 42 years na ako, sir. Sabi ko, okay pala itong recommendation ni Senator. Kasi veterano na. And yung sunod kong question, sir, boss, sa 42 years, ilan na po bang nahuli yung empleyado ng custom na involved sa corruption? Sabi po niya sa akin, sir, wala pa po akong alam. So, muntik akong mahulog sa upuan ko kasi 42 years na po siya sa intelligence ng customs. So, para sa akin, again, these are illegal, sir. You insist on recommending appointments of such officials na kagaya niya, na hindi naman talaga, si 42 years, wala pa siyang alam na nahuli na kahit isang empleyado na tungkol sa corruption. So, yan. Ito, Sen, pasensya na, tinulugan ko yung request.
Well, I think